Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change privacy settings on Twitter. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Twitter application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch Twitter first, as you should do, and then all I need to do is head to my settings. How can I do that? Is simply by clicking at the icon at the top left corner. It's your profile icon, of course, and click or scroll down a bit until you find this settings and privacy, then click add it. So after tapping at your settings and privacy, all you can see here, or all you want to do, is just go here to your privacy settings, which is here, privacy and safety. Here, of course, you can do a lot of stuff. You can maybe make your Twitter private by going to audience and tagging. You can, of course, protect your tweets, which means that you will make your account private simply by enabling this option. Of course, we have another option, which is photo tagging. Here, you can maybe make anyone can tag you, only people you follow can tag you, or make it off. If you go back, we have here your tweets. So here we have the option of mark media tweets as containing material that may be sensitive. So here, if you disable that, so of course your tweets will not be sensitive and people will be able to see it without being sensitive, of course. Content you see, of course, if you go here, and here you can turn off or on this display media that may contain sensitive content. Topics, explore settings, search settings. Here, of course, we have the mute and block, direct message, spaces, and discoverability and contact. Ads preference, and this is of course for data sharing and personalization. So here you can change whatever you want, and privacy settings. And after doing all you want, maybe you want to add or remove a location or personalize based on place you've been, maybe data sharing, maybe you want to use your voice or let followers see which space you're listening to. So as we said, content you see, we already go through that. Direct messages, so allow messages requests from everyone or do not allow that. Should show read recipes, so receipts, so if you see a message that someone sent to you, do you want them to see that you saw the message or not, by enabling or disabling that. And of course you have other things that we already go through that. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.